Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming to the CoatingsPro Contractor Awards and MPI Champion Awards. AMP CEO Alan Thomas is here to give a few remarks before we get started.
Thanks. And by a few remarks, he means a few pages. So hang on. I was given a script and told I have to read this. So bear with me. I'm just kidding. It's great. Good to see you all here today. These are the fun parts of the meetings I get to be a part of, and that's when we celebrate contractors and the folks in the field that are making things happen. So I'm always happy to be a part of this with you. But before we get the awards going, I wanted to take a moment and recognize the people who make the industry what it is. The coating industry built on skill, precision, and dedication, qualities that show up every day in the work performed by applicators, contractors, manufacturers, engineers, and partners across the entire supply chain. The contractors are where plans, specifications, and products meet reality. They are the professionals who work to take the systems that we design and manufacture and apply them in real-world conditions, often in environments that are complex, demanding, and constantly changing. Their work requires not only technical skill, but also experience, judgment, and an unwavering commitment to quality and to safety. When contractors share their insights and histories through project submissions, what works, what doesn't work, and where things can be improved, they help manufacturers and engineers and the industry organizations that develop better products, better standards, and better practices. Their feedback ensures that the solutions we create are not only innovative, but also practical and effective where it matters most, and that is in the field. With our CoatingsPro Contractor Awards, we recognize those contractors who have demonstrated excellence in the projects they've undertaken, utilizing commercial and industry coatings. The winners of these awards, did I just advance a slide? Sorry, it did on the screen here, apologize. The winners of these awards have demonstrated unparalleled achievement in the following areas: commercial concrete, commercial roof, industrial concrete, industrial steel, specialty project, work it safe, and contractor crew MVP. Each of these award winners completed a project between October of 2023 and October of 2025. We also want to recognize the coating manufacturers today. Manufacturers play a critical role in advancing the technologies and systems that protect our infrastructure, equipment, and facilities. These products that you develop are a result of deep expertise, rigorous testing, and a constant commitment to improving performance, durability, and safety. From research and formulation to production and quality control, the work that goes into creating these coatings is both complex and essential. Your innovation helps ensure that coatings perform in some of the most demanding environments, protecting assets, extending service life, and helping entire industries operate more reliably and sustainably. The performance standards you commit to on a daily basis and the improvements you continue to pursue push the entire field forward. The MPI Manufacturer Champion Awards celebrate manufacturers who have risen above the areas of product performance testing, education, green technology, and overall commitment to improving their products through collaboration with MPI and industry-leading innovation. To the contractors and manufacturers, thank you for the work that you do, for the standards you uphold, the innovation you demonstrate on a daily basis, and for the commitment you bring to the coatings industry. Now, we can begin the celebration and this year's honorees. And presenting the awards on behalf of CoatingsPro is the managing editor, Lisa Shorty. Did I get that right? All right. Thanks, everyone.
Hello again, everyone. I'm Lisa Shortino, Managing Editor of CoatingsPro Magazine. I'd like to welcome you all to the announcement ceremony, the 2026 Contractor Awards program from CoatingsPro Magazine. The goal of the awards program, which began in 2017, is to recognize the hard work of deserving contractors in the high-performance coating industry. Ooh, lost you for a minute. Sorry about that. Today, it's my pleasure to announce the top winners as selected by our panelists. For detailed descriptions of each winner, along with a list of the people involved, please visit the CoatingsPro Awards website. Once announced, those involved in completing the coatings installations from each winning contractor company are invited to come up, accept their trophy or plaque, and pose for a photo with our photographer. Now, on to the winners. Third place in the commercial concrete category goes to Beta Bay Resinous Coatings for the Boca Teca project. They could not attend today, so we're here to accept the award on their behalf. Second place in the commercial concrete category goes to Decorative Concrete of Virginia for the Wintergreen Metallic Floor project. We'll also accept the award on their behalf today. First place in the commercial concrete category goes to Resource Development Company for the Sacramento Medical Center Water Reservoir Reservation. Accepting the award is Jeff Farr, president of Resource Development Company. Let's give them a big round of applause. Third place in the commercial roof category goes to Whitlock Enterprises LLC for the Roof Coating System Resources Aging Roof Santa Fe Animal Shelter project. Accepting the award is George Lavoie, president of Whitlock Enterprises. Second place in the commercial roof category goes to Draper Construction and Commercial Roofing for the Bethany First Church of Nazarene Arch Roof Restoration Project. Accepting the award is David Weiser, Marketing Specialist for Draper Construction. First place in the commercial roof category goes to Sutter Roofing Company of Florida for the Van Wezel Performing Arts Roof Restoration. Accepting for the award is Michael Black, Vice President of Service and Maintenance for Sutter Roof Company. Third place in the industrial concrete category goes to C.A. Reed Associates Incorporated for the Titan Flows Controls Epoxy Floor Installation Project. Accepting the award is Robert Park, Vice President for C.A. Reed Associates. Second place in the industrial concrete category goes to Technocrete for the PATSA VITI 179 concrete tank project. Accepting the award is Guillermo Loiza. First place in the industrial concrete category goes to T.W. Hicks for the Semiconductor Fabrication Plant Project. Accepting the award is Tim Hicks, co-founder, and John Guidry, Senior Business Development. Third place in the industrial steel category goes to IMI Solutions for the Cold Creek Heartwood Project. Accepting the award is Lane Martin, president of IMI Solutions. Second place in the industrial steel category goes to Base Painters for the Trust 2RB project. They couldn't attend today, but will accept the award on their behalf. First place in the industrial steel category goes to Corrosion Control Corporation for the Virginia Commercial Spaceflight Authority's VCSFA Wallops Island Launchpad project. Accepting the award on their behalf is Davies Hood, president of Induron Coatings. Third place in the specialty project category goes to Blackhawk Painting, Inc. for Amtrak ADASP Upgrades Richmond, California project. They were unable to attend, but will accept the award on their behalf. Second place in the specialty project category goes to Primetime Coatings, Inc. for the Disney Cars Racers Racetrack Radiator Springs project. Accepting the award is Johnny Sanchez, President. First place in the specialty projects category goes to Industrial Solution Cameroon for the corrosion mitigation service on India Flare Stack for Attic Petroleum Cameroon Company SA project. Mr. Angie was unable to attend, will accept the award on his behalf. First place in the Work It Safe category is Performance Contracting, Inc. for the USS Theodore Roosevelt CVN 71 project. Accepting the award is Alfonso Ypaz III, Labor Superintendent, and Luis Andre Jr., Quality Assurance. And last but not least, first place in the Contractor Crew MVP category is Mario Quintero from Blackhawk Painting, Inc. for the Amtrak ADASP Upgrades Richmond, California project. Mario was unable to attend, so we'll accept the award on his behalf. Sorry about that. Thank you. A big round of applause for Mario. Please visit CoatingsProMag.com and read details about our recent class of winners in the July 2026 issue of the magazine. Once again, congratulations to all of the Coatings Pro 2026 award winners. Now I'd like to introduce Pam Nicoletti, President of MPI, who will present the MPI Champion Awards. Thank you.
Congratulations to all of our winners. Technology, you have to love it, right? Great when it works, not so great when it doesn't. Please don't leave. We're going to have a small reception after the award ceremony. We want you to join us for drinks and refreshments behind us. So, and you can check out the silent auction too, which is great. So I am from the Master Painters Institute. We are a wholly owned subsidiary of AMP, for those of you who do not know us. We have some manufacturers joining us today who have shown outstanding performance and champions in their areas. So first, we're going to start with the Sherwin-Williams Company. They are our products performance champion. This is the second year Sherwin-Williams has won this award. Sherwin-Williams has the most products listed with MPI. They consistently achieve the highest quality ratings, and they represent the industry in great form. I'd like to welcome Dennis Fiorelli and Jeff Hoover to the stage. In our Green Performance Champion Award, so MPI has green standards. We have approximately 457 green standards that represent the industry in green quality and sustainability. Our award winner in this category also won last year. They show the most innovation and quality in their green performance coatings. It makes complete sense to me, Sid, that you guys are in California. So we're welcoming Bear Paint to the stage, and Sid Maxey will be accepting on behalf of them. Thank you, Sid. Next up, we'll be celebrating our Coatings Education Champion. This year, Champion is our only award winner that comes from outside of North America. They have put more inspectors through and shown more dedication to improving their applicators and inspectors at their company than anyone else through the MPI systems last year. So from Davies Paint, we're going to recognize Anita Augustin and Eileen Dela Cruz. Please come to the stage. And they are all the way from the Philippines, guys, to receive their award. So we are thrilled you're here. And lastly, we want to recognize the MPI Commitment Champion. This manufacturer has worked collaboratively with MPI to not only improve our standards, our education, products performance, and our green technology. They work in all 4 of these categories consistently throughout the year. And we are just thrilled that they're here to join us today. We're going to welcome Sean Tripp from Cloverdale Paint. So in closing, again, I just want to say thank you all for joining us. It is truly a pleasure to give out the awards. We will have refreshments right behind us. If any of the award winners will be here tomorrow night for the awards banquet, we would love to celebrate your achievement there. There will be a CoatingsPro and an MPI table for recognition at the awards banquet. So thank you again for joining us, and please visit with us for refreshments. Have a good day. Thank you.